Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Turtle Beach headset on over to your Steam Deck. So I use this one for the PlayStation 5. So I'm going to press the C button over here on the left, going down to settings. Now going down to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And it's going to search for available devices to connect to. So take your Turtle Beach headset, turn this on. So I'm going to turn it on. And the light is going to begin to beep.
Bluetooth connected.
So it says Bluetooth is connected. Now to get this into the Bluetooth pairing mode, simply go to the Bluetooth button right here indicated by that Bluetooth icon. And then hold down the button. And it should say Bluetooth like connecting or something, Bluetooth on. So I just turned off Bluetooth. Now I'm going to hold down the button again. And it's going to say Bluetooth on. And it should start looking for devices to connect to on here. So if you do have this connected to a computer or something like that, you're going to want to disconnect it. Or I believe if you hold down the Bluetooth button and the mode button right here, this will reset your options. But just hold this down and it should put into the pairing mode. Otherwise, you're going to have to connect it to disconnect it from your PC. So just going to hold this down and it should say Bluetooth on again. So very easy to do, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up.
Bluetooth connected.